Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the tools available, install Google Translate and Gboard, and then enable Gboard as your default keyboard. Once done, go to Settings, find Languages and Input, and select Gboard so the system uses it for typing. Make sure to grant keyboard and microphone permissions. This allows real-time voice translation and clipboard access. This step is essential because without Gboard active, the Translate integration won't appear in your keyboard options. You now open Gboard inside a text field and look for the Google Translate icon along the top row. If it's hidden, tap the three-dot menu to reveal it. Once you tap Translate, choose the source and target languages. Pick Auto Detect for unknown input. Then start typing or paste text and watch the translation appear inline. This replaces manual app switching and speeds up messaging. Make sure to switch languages or pin the Translate option for repeated use. You finish by tapping the translated result to insert it into your chat, email, or document. This completes the workflow. If Translate doesn't appear, update or reinstall Gboard and Google Translate because out-of-date apps often remove integrations. If problems persist, restart your device and recheck keyboard and microphone permissions. Sometimes the system revokes them after updates. One key tip: clear Gboard cache and app settings before reinstalling, as that often resolves stubborn interface issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.